Hello everyone, Brian Whitaker with ID Additives. I'm our technical manager for our EcoPro line of products. In this video I'm going to show you two things. One, our new and improved EcoPro cart, but two, how you can expect this to arrive at your dock. So with that being said, it's an inverted Gaylord. So when it arrives, underneath you'll find the cart. You would also find the amount of chemical that you purchased sitting on the tray, and then your 20-gallon drum sitting across the top of that. The cart is banded to some 2x6s here that have been bored out to house the casters. We don't want the casters to be damaged by forks in transit. So you'll notice right away that the cart is now a gloss black. And we did that because after a couple years we found that the EcoPro chemical would stain the silver powder coating just a darker color, and we just weren't aesthetically pleased with it. So we did that change. I'll show you in a second. I'll have the camera come forward to show you our new labels, which are laser engraved plaques. But from a functionality standpoint, we added a Velcro strap on the front. I had a few customers that were mentioning when they moved the cart from plant to plant, the drum would jockey off. So we really appreciate those customers' feedback to help us improve our product to you. If you do have suggestions, please bring them forward. And we'll do our best to bring you the best product out there. So I'll turn this around now so you can see the plaques. The other thing that I did not mention on unpacking, we have it's just a little piece of cardboard that protects the check valve. That way it doesn't get damaged in transit. So you'll remove that and you'll be good to go. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please keep the comments and suggestions coming. Thanks for watching.